Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can contact Amazon customer service. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply first of all open up your Amazon shopping app, and right afterwards simply make sure to sign in as well. And now afterwards go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line in the bottom right and scroll down and tap on this option of customer service. And from over here simply go ahead, check out the category of your problem and tap on that particular problem of yours if it matches, and simply go ahead, choose one. And in the section you will find this option of I need more help in the bottom. Go ahead, tap on it, and you do have option of start chatting now. You can simply start chatting with an online agent for the solution of your problem, or you can simply choose to request a phone call as well. For that, tap on this request phone call and simply go ahead and enter your particular number with the country code by selecting this icon and tap on this call me now, and then you will be able to add it for them to call you, and they will simply call and you can chat and let them know your issue and get the solution for. So that is a way for you to contact. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.